we're gonna go here to the glove box. You're gonna pop it down. You probably have one of these here to kind of help assist it, like an easy open. You're gonna slide it up, or slide it down, I mean. Pops right out. It's just like a little keyhole. It's a little tricky to get back on at the end, but it's possible, but you just pull it down here, little keyhole, and it pops right out. Next, you're gonna come over here and push in. Push in. You can see these tabs. They're made to flex. It has a little cut right here, but you're just pushing these in, and the little couple little grips right here on the back, like little hooks. That's how we're gonna hook it on at the end. You line it up with these 4. Once you have the glove box out, you're gonna see the cabin air filter cover right here. It's right up on the inside. So you can see right up in the inside here, there's this little cover. If your truck doesn't have one of these, I can show you here at the end how to actually get one of these covers and then make your own. And it's kind of just an added feature later on, but some trucks weren't made with it. These little tabs right here, you're gonna push in on both sides and this thing will pop right out. So you can see right here, they squeeze in, and as it squeezes in, it kind of lifts up the outer edges. So you pinch in on both sides. Now you can see in there, that's where your air filter goes. And this is one of the air filters I found on Amazon here. You can get different brands. This is one of the ones I saw that had the better reviews, and it says change it every 15,000 miles. I change mine probably about every 10, at least maybe every time I change the engine also. But this you can find there. I'll put a link in the description there for you. This is what the air filter looks like. This one's one of the carbon ones. It's supposed to have a little bit better cleaning ability or filtration, but see the airflow with the arrow down? It kind of matches the same thing on the cover where it says airflow down. So just make sure that you have the same thing with that air down when you put it in. All we have to do is slide this thing in. Fit it in there like that, and then you can put the cover back over. One of the things is some vehicles didn't have this, and you can see this kind of plastic right here. It's like a flat plastic. It's maybe about 1/8 of an inch thick. This whole thing is plastic on some trucks, and you don't actually have that cover, but it is molded already for the cover plate. You can just take a straight edge knife or a razor, and you can score along it. It takes a little bit of time, but you can score, cut right on the inside of that, and then you can order one of these covers as a kit. When you're on Amazon, you can also find the air filter and these as a whole kit too, in case you need one, and you can actually add an air filter to your truck. So pretty cool. If your truck doesn't have one, you can add one, and it's really not that expensive. Now that we got the new air filter in, all we gotta do is pop on the cover. Another thing too, you can see here how it protrudes slightly. Don't try to cram it in there, that's all the way in. This cover has a little bit of thickness to it. It's because it's made to actually stick out a little bit. So don't try to cram the air filter in there all the way. It is gonna stick out of the opening just a little bit. Now we got the cover back on there. You can feel it kind of click on both sides. Next thing you're gonna do is just kind of go backwards and hook, you're gonna hook these, kind of line it up. You'll see that this tab on the right hits first. You're gonna push it in, then you're gonna push in the left side. And I said the tricky part is kind of getting that cord back over here. You'll see it kind of pulled up right here. I hold onto it with one hand, and then with my left hand, I line up the glove box, and then I just kind of take my time and push in the left, push in the right, and then you can actually feed this over and connect it back. Took me 1 or 2 tries, but now it's pretty easy. Now we got everything all hooked back up. Got this cord back hooked up. Everything looks like it's working great. It's just that easy. Quick install, less than 5 minutes. So that's pretty much it, guys. Less than 5 minutes. A few bucks on Amazon. I put a link in the description again if you need one. Just straight to the point, right? Didn't want to waste you guys' time. It's just that quick and easy, and it's pretty cool that you can also add one to your truck if your truck was not made with one. If you guys liked the video, hit like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos on this type of truck and engine model. Hit subscribe, hit like, and I'll see you on the next build.